Let's talk about life hacks for healthy skin. Hack number 1, eat a healthy full diet. Garbage in, garbage out. It holds extremely true for our skin. And good skin is not just about topical application or the external application, but it's also about what we do on the inside, so what we're eating. So when we talk about a healthy full diet, we're talking about using antioxidant rich food in your diet, using nutrient rich food. So we're talking about colored fruits, colored vegetables like mango, like tomatoes and carrots and bell pepper or capsicum. So keep your food as colorful as possible. Imbibe 5 healthy portions of fruits and vegetables in your skin for a healthy full diet. Along with this, another important concept to understand is calorie restriction. Calorie restriction has shown in clinical trials to help reduce cellular aging. So look up calorie restriction diets and try this out and see if it helps with your cellular aging process. So healthy full diet is our hack number 1. Life hack number 2 for healthy skin. Keep your stress in check. I know these are stressful times. There's nobody who can say they've not been stressed. But let's try and find ways to alleviate stress. Why is this important? Numerous studies have shown a link between stress and our skin health. A lot of times, have you noticed that you have an important occasion or an event and suddenly you break out with that one zit or one pimple and you wake up? That is again related to stress. Levels have shown of increased stress level being in direct correlation to oil production or sebum production, and this can lead to clogging, which can lead to acne. Studies in teenagers have shown that 23% of teenagers with high stress levels will be more prone to acne. That's 23% of teenagers getting acne because of increased stress. So even in adults, we are not immune from stress and skin. So find ways to elevate skin stress by breathing exercises. Pranayama is excellent for reducing stress. Antioxidants, exercise, anything that makes you happy. It could be dance, it could be shopping, it could be laughing, relaxing massage, listening to music, chatting with friends. So find ways to elevate stress, and that's my life hack number 2 for healthy skin. Life hack number 3 for healthy full skin. Keep the moisture in your skin intact. There are 2 types of moisturizers that we get. We get the humectant ones and then we get the occlusive ones. The humectants are the ones that keep the moisture between the spaces in our cells. They're hydrators. And occlusives are which seal the skin barrier on the surface and prevent the transepidermal water loss. Typically, we lose moisture because of transepidermal water loss. So ensure that you keep that moisture intact in your skin to keep it looking healthy. How do we do that? 1, keep your bathing time minimal to 5 to 10 minutes. Stay away from warm water. Right after you're washing, make sure you tap off the water like this rather than rubbing yourself dry, and immediately apply a moisturizer on your skin. It absorbs best in this way. A cream or an ointment is a heavier formulation than a lotion if you're experiencing dryness. And make sure you're consuming enough water and oil in your diet because we need both to keep the moisture intact. Use ceramide based moisturizers to keep the skin barrier function healthy. Stay away from heating and fireplaces. Use a humidifier in dry air. And during monsoon, definitely apply that occlusives on your layer with hyaluronic acid and hyaluronate to keep the barrier function. And this is my life hack number 3. Keep the moisture in your skin. My life hack for healthy full skin number 4. Give up smoking if you're smoking, or don't even try and be a passive smoker. If there are people smoking around you, get up and leave. Why? It's been shown that smoking damages the outer layer of your skin, and when you smoke, the outer layer gets damaged, and this leads to increased water loss. Along with that, smoking reduces the cellular turnover rate, so it leads to accelerated cell aging. It breaks down the elastin in the skin and decreases the production of collagen. All of this leads to premature signs of aging. Not only this, but smoking can lead to pigmentation over a period of time. Also, the constant movement of smoking and puffing leads to fine lines and wrinkles around our mouth, which are called perioral lines, and it can accentuate even the perioral hyperpigmentation and the lip pigmentation. Along with this, it can stain the teeth. So if you're smoking, try and give up that smoking now. And if you're a passive smoker, avoid this. And smoking in any form is just as bad, not just cigarette, anything that has tobacco. So that's my life hack number 4 for you for healthy full skin. Life hack number 5 for healthy full skin. What is it? We're talking about sleep, beauty sleep. It's not just a fun concept when people say beauty sleep. There is truth to it. And a lot of sleep studies have shown that 7 to 9 hours of sleep is actually required for our body to recharge itself. And when we're talking about this, it's not just the amount of sleep, but it's also the quality of sleep that matters. So it's important to get to bed early so that one can get into the deep sleep zone. When you're in deep sleep zone, this is when your body tends to recharge itself, re-energize itself. During this stage, the body detoxes itself, removes the toxins in the body and in the brain through the lymphatic system. At the same time, the cell energy gets recharged, almost like a battery charge or a kickstart to a car. The same thing happens to our skin cells when we sleep and we have good quality deep sleep. So it's important to try and get good healthy sleep. It's important for the skin cell recharge, the circulation, the lymphatics. It's also important for our pigmentation, our tone, and to prevent puffiness, dark circles, and premature signs of aging. So my life hack for you for healthy full skin number 5 is beauty sleep.